Hello, Nadine here, and today I am creating a card using some Poppystamps dies. I'm going to be using their oval fold frame, the Picket tall curve border, and also the floral cluster flowers, these flowers right here. So I'm going to be using those, and then from Memory Box I'm going to be using the Springtime Bouquet paper pad, and then also the Delicate Pastel glitter pad. So I, ahead of time, cut everything out to save time. So out of some Kraft cardstock, I took the oval fold frame here. And this is what the die looks like. I cut it out 2 times out of the Kraft cardstock. And then this little edge here, I folded. And then folded it again in half. So it's going to be folded like accordion style 3 times. I did that on both pieces. Like that. And then I also cut it out 2 more times using the Memory Box, the Springtime Bouquet paper pad set. So again, to show you, there's an embossed area from the die that you just fold right onto those lines, and then fold that one like that, which I think I'm going to cut that part off. And fold this one again, and then I also cut the back of the card. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 that I cut this by. So these pieces are going to wrap around the back of the card like that. But before I do that, I am going to adhere these pieces onto the front. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut this off right here. And add some adhesive onto the back. Now, on that little flap that is right here, I'm going to add some adhesive down there on that. And add the back piece right up to it, and repeat it on the other side. Okay, so using the Poppystamps Friendship and Kindness stamp set, I went ahead and stamped that sentiment: may all of your wishes come true, happy birthday, you truly deserve the best. And then when I cut out the pattern paper here with this, it gave me the circle, so I'd use that. And then with with another die that comes inside the oval shape, which is a little bit smaller, is what I die cut out the sentiment with. So now I will have it so it goes like that. And then using the Picket tall curve border here, I cut that out twice using the Kraft cardstock again. I'm going to run each of these through using my Xyron sticker maker. This is the 3-inch one. Making sure I get that pushed down really well. And then just to make sure that I get everything pushed in well so I don't get the webs in between. Since this is kind of more of a detailed die, I'm using a stylist, and I'm just going to go all the way around and go in each one of those little holes of the die and make sure it's all stuck down well. Now that I have that all adhered together like that, I'm going to take the inside circle, or oval, and put some adhesive on that. Keeping this pushed down so I make sure that this is centered in there. And then adhering the sentiment. Okay, so now using the floral cluster and the delicate pastel glitter pad from Memory Box, I used one of the yellow glitter sheets right here to cut out some flowers and the floral cluster. And I noticed when I cut these, die cut them out the first time, I just ran it through one time. This paper is pretty thick, so I did have to run it through 2 times, so it probably just depends on what die cutting machine you use or whatever, if it needs to go through twice or once, but I discovered with mine I needed to run it through twice. And now I'm just going to add some on-point glue onto the back of these. Okay, there it is, completed. And you open it up. Looks like that. And you close it, and then it fits in just a regular size envelope. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I would love a thumbs up if you liked my video. Thanks a lot. See you later. Bye-bye.